good today. Today we are going to look at the EUFY standalone security camera. It's called the SoloCam E20. It has full HD, it's wireless, up to 120 days of battery life, IP65 weatherproof, night vision, up to 60 days of local storage, and most importantly, no monthly fee for the online footage. So this has a lot going for it. It's currently $99 on Amazon, and they currently have a $10 off coupon that you can clip. If you're interested at all in this, I will put a link down in the description, and I will be fully testing this and letting you guys know if I recommend it. This also has AI person detection. You can control it with Google or Alexa. It has two-way audio, so you can hear people and talk to them, which is fantastic. You can even set custom security zones. It does have night vision as well. The field of view is 130 degrees. There is not a spotlight on this. So let's go ahead and unbox this, check this guy out, and then I will show you how to connect it to the app. We'll see how easy it is, and then I will show you some video footage. We'll do some daytime, and then I will also do some nighttime. I'll show you how easy it is to mount, and then we'll try to move it in several different spots of my house. That's one of the great things about being completely wireless. You can literally put this anywhere, within range of your Wi-Fi, of course. If you want to kind of read the information, just pause the video. Let's check out what you get. Here is the instructions, probably with a quick start guide. And you even get a couple of stickers, which is pretty cool, that you can put on your door to let people know to watch out, you're watching them. There's a camera mounting screw position card, so it makes it very, very easy to mount it. And then of course the quick start guide, and I'll show you the app once we get done looking at this. Alright, right off the bat, this thing is much, much smaller than I expected. I was thinking it was going to be probably double this size based off the pictures on Amazon. So definitely love that. It's funny how remove this film before use, like there probably are some people that would leave that on there and then complain that the footage is blurry. There's a QR code there. I'm sure that's how it's going to connect to the app. And I definitely love the size of this. It's very small. Here is your power cord. It's just USB-C to USB-A. And here is your mounting screws. And then of course your mounting bracket. So what you're going to do to mount it, you unscrew this cap. Then you're going to line up where you want to put it on the wall. Screw this part in, and then you just realign everything and screw it back together. Very, very simple. So this can also tilt wherever you want to point the camera, and then you just tighten it and it's going to stay there. So very simple design, very easy to use. It's just simply going to screw right into here. And there you have it. Once that's attached to the wall, now you have a camera, wire-free, and very cheap in my opinion. I just hope the picture quality is actually 1080p, because I do own some 1080p Nest cameras, and I will be comparing this to those. The Nest cameras are a couple $100 each, so the fact that this is half price. If the picture quality is as good as that, with no monthly fees, this is going to be definitely an awesome camera to pick up. Alright, looks like the battery pack is inside of this and sealed in there. So it's not one that you can just simply have an extra and swap out. But it's very easy to take down, and then you just pull this back, plug in your USB-C, let it charge overnight, and then plug it back in and you're good for another up to 4 months. Alright guys, I downloaded the EUFY security app and we are going to add a device. We're going to do the SoloCam. I always do allow while using the app. I guess you have to grant permission for that, which is, I guess, fine. Now you're going to log into your Wi-Fi. Press the sync button for 2 seconds until you hear a beep. There we go. Okay, so it wants to use the actual camera to scan this code. There we go.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
Yes, ma'am. As you can see, it's connected. Alright, we are almost done. We're going to set this, let's just do garage because I'm going to move it kind of all over the place for this test. Select the working mode for this camera. I'm going to do optimal surveillance because with battery life it'll only do 20 seconds, but optimal will give you up to 1 full minute of recording. Now, just so you're aware, most battery powered cameras are more of an alert type recording. It will not record 24/7 like a Nest camera would. So we're going to do optimal. Fully charged battery before mounting. It will take about 8 hours to charge. Mounting tips, I kind of showed you how to do that earlier. Mounting should be very, very easy. But if you want to go ahead and pause that and read that. And then here we're going to test the signal. And this is our first little demo. I'll record some video later tonight and during this day, and I'll show you the actual clips from the software. So as you can see, it's working flawlessly already. Very simple to use, which I love. And now it is going to update its firmware, which is great. It will take about 15 minutes. This is my first battery-powered camera I've ever owned. And if you can actually get 120 days out of it, that's pretty awesome. Because realistically, yes, you're going to have to take it down wherever it is, but you'll literally plug it in for, what, 8 hours maybe, and then it's back up on the wall for another 4 months. So that doesn't bother me at all. I'm going to let this update, and then we'll pick up where we're leaving off. Thanks so much for watching so far. If you guys enjoy this video, or if you've learned anything so far, please smash that like button for me. It helps me out a lot. And let me know down in the comments if there's any specific test you'd like to see with this, and I'll try to make that happen for you. Alright guys, the update was successful. The current version is 1.1.8.8. Enable Face ID, I will do that. That is so convenient. So you have devices, events, no events to display, security. So it's on home mode by default. It's going to pick up any movement, send me a notification, and then of course record it. That's pretty cool automation. So if you say you have several of these, say you have one on each corner of your house, if the one on the back corner recognizes movement, it's going to send an alert to all of them, and they will all turn on and start recording. That's actually a really cool feature. So this does have a little LED built in the front, so you can have that on. Which I actually kind of like, because in case someone doesn't see your camera, this will tell them, hey, you're being watched. So logo watermark. Yeah, I don't know why you, I guess that doesn't hurt nothing. It's just gonna say, you know, EUFY in the corner, but you can turn that off. That's pretty cool. Video quality, streaming quality set to auto. I'm just gonna go and put it high for this test. So it does have local storage of almost 8 gigabytes. So that's pretty cool. That's just automatically built in. You don't even have to put an SD card inside, which is really nice. And of course, you can format it when you review the footage and don't need it anymore. I think this is going to be an overall really nice package for under 100 bucks. It's weatherproof. It should be HD 1080p. I will be showing you that. Hopefully the quality is really good. And like I said, I have other cameras, so I have other stuff to compare this to. But I know EUFY does make some good products. And they do have other cameras that actually say they're 2K, which should be double 1080p. I'll be reviewing the other one, the 2K one, very soon in another video. So let me get this hung up. We'll see how well this guy works, and I'll tell you if I recommend it. So this is my Nest doorbell camera. I tried to use double-sided tape just for this video, and as you can see, the EUFY camera fell on the ground pretty hard, and it actually works perfectly, no damage whatsoever. But I just wanted to show you guys that it's tough. Here's the EUFY camera from a delivery I got today, and in just a second I will show you a side-by-side with my Nest doorbell, and you can see the comparison of video quality. Alright, the Nest cam is on the right, and this will also show you when the camera is activated for a motion. From what I'm seeing, actually the EUFY looks a lot more clearer and more vibrant to me. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. Here's an evening shot. This creep saw the camera and bolted. Not sure who that was. And lastly, here is a night shot in my garage. It is pitch black in there, other than the little bit of light showing through the windows. So very good quality, even in pitch black. Alright everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed that video and learned something. From what I've tested so far, it seems like a fantastic camera. Video quality looked to be very good. Had no issues whatsoever with it. And of course it fell straight onto concrete from probably about, I don't know, about 4 feet up, and no damage whatsoever. It's as if it didn't even fall. So that's good to know. If you guys did enjoy that video, please smash that like button for me. If you want to see any specific test on this camera, please let me know in the comments and I'll try to make that happen. And most importantly, y'all have a fantastic day. See ya.